Oh God, पापा का ना WhatsApp forward देखा क्या?
Oh my God, फिर से all these WhatsApp dad jokes I tell you, hey भगवान, cringe. No,
Unbelievable.
जा, पानी हो गया है, मेरे लिए चाय बना.
Okay.
What about weekend plans? Do you want to try out that new rooftop bar that we saw?
Yeah, I thought the plan was set, no?
हाँ, plan is set of course यार, but वही है ना, we can only do a limited number of outings, you know, budgeting and everything. Tanu, इधर आ. Oh my God, did you see this notification?
No.
Rent फिर से बढ़ गया है.
No.
Budget की तो बच गई अब band. What are we gonna do? Forget going out. Normal राशन के वांदे पड़ जाएंगे. What to do?
घर पे बनाओ डालें, घर पे और कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
I really wanted to go and have the Buddha bowl there. It was looking so yummy. Menu का photo देख के ना, I was salivating. मजा आने वाला था यार.
Trust me, ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. हम बना सकते हैं घर पे. Okay. कौन से ingredients चाहिए? सोचने दो मुझे. 90% of things we have. आपको जाके टोफू लाने पड़ेंगे बस. You're in? जाओ लेके आओ.
I will try and I will not disappoint you.
भाई quinoa ना, the fact that I'm using it, my mother is going to be the happiest person in this world. मतलब आज का nutrition value, tick, ready to go. Now while this is cooking, I'll just start the prep of the actual vegetables. जिसमें अब ज़्यादा time लगने वाला है. But you know what? Buddha bowl, I'll be at peace when I do it. थोड़ा color लाते हैं इस Buddha bowl में. Let's start with cutting the bell peppers. भाई bell peppers is such a refreshing thing यार. बचपन में बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थे मुझे. What a loss. So I can already see a yellow and a red and the next one is going to be a green one. Nice. तो बढ़िया है. किनुआ जैसी चीज़ इतना टाइम लगता है कुक करने का. It's not too much. पर इतने टाइम में मेरी पूरी प्रेप भी हो गई. Next would be bok choy. Just a little bit of a stem cut. This is the easiest thing to actually prepare. All I have to do is pick it apart. Easy. Spring onions. I don't think you guys must have seen a lot of actual spring onions. So ये देखो. This is one of the most like completely usable kind of a plant. No wastage.
So many options. संजीव अंकल को फोटो देख के पूछती हूँ, what does he think? Perfect. Extra firm so that it doesn't break in the stir fry. Perfect.
यार दीदी तो अब तक आई ही नहीं. मैंने तो सारा प्रेप उनके लिए रेडी रखा हुआ था. अब साइड का सैलेड भी मुझे ही प्रेप करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain much. चलो, let's do it. Some cucumber cutting. Such a simple thing to use. अल्लाह, मेहनत लग रही है. ये तो मेरा जिम हो गया. Radishes.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा? Look at that.
Okay. How do you do it? Tell me honestly. I'm super surprised. She got the right one. What?
Secret है, नहीं बताऊंगी.
Okay, well, that's fine. But you've still done a good job.
Thank you.
Now get to work. Hello.
Yeah, sorry, I know I broke your flow and everything. Okay, so I'll do the tofu. You carry on with whatever you were doing. I'm thinking, vibe अच्छा बैठ ही रहा है, तो let's make a proper evening out of it यार. कुछ मस्त movie night बनाते हैं, vibe बनाते हैं proper.
Gajar done.
I'm having FOMO. मुझे भी gym करना है. Yeah, this looks lovely.
Okay.
Lovely.
Yay.
Thank you. Now go take a chill pill.
Just look at that, Dee.
So much color. Oh, it looks so good.
Stunner.
Did you slice it while I was gone? Yeah, take a pat on the back. Go take a break.
Thank you.
I'll quickly get to the stir fry. Some seasoning and sesame seeds. Why not? Don't want to put a lot of tel. Tanya doesn't mind it because she works out so much. But ये ऐसे थोड़ी maintain होता है, guys. Okay. Ooh, the crackles. Ooh. Just loving the glaze on this. Wow. थोड़ा tofu भी डाल ही देती हूँ. I really hope she picks a good movie. सारा vibe ये decide करने वाली है. But anyways, I trust her more with this. Never been much of a Netflix and chill person. Her kind of a night is a full Netflix and chill. But mine is just partying and dancing away all night. I like it spicy. But तानू के लिए थोड़ा केचप डालना पड़ेगा. I think I should add a little water also. अच्छे से सारी sauces mix हो जाएंगी. Wow. Okay. थोड़ा seasoning कर लेती हूँ मैं अब. Almost done. It looks heavenly. Smells heavenly. Gosh, I really hope she likes it and it's not too spicy for her. जब तक ये हो रहा है मैं इसको भी season करके ready कर लेती हूँ. Some good fiber in the body. Happy tummy, happy brain, happy life. Yes.
Happy sister.
Hi. Are you kind of sort of proud of me? इसको देखो. Oh, yes.
अब भी खा ले, इसमें से खा लेते हैं. नहीं.
पता है?
मुंह जल जाएगा.
तेरे लिए मैंने टमेटो सॉस डाला है, नहीं तो ये सिर्फ श्रीराचा से काम चलने वाला था आज.
हाय सर्वगुण संपन्न. हाय.
टेस्ट करेगी? टेस्ट कर थोड़ा.
Okay. Cheers.
Oh. Done. Yes. Yummy. Ooh, that looks nice. मैं भी अपना ऐसे ही सेट करती हूँ. चल, let me try. Looks like a big bowl of happy. Just love it.
Okay. Vibe set, mood set. Oh,
yes.
and Kana set. Look.
How does it look? Yes.
Just chef's kiss. Mwah. Chalo.
Let's take this and let's start our movie night.
No, Ari, hello. We have to send a picture to mom. She'll kill us.
She'll kill us. Oh gosh, really?
Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
I'm ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dun.
Looks lovely. Let's go.
Roll camera and action.
So many options.
Pick up something, show it to her. She says, yeah, very nice. Pick it up.
Extra foam so that it doesn't break in the stir fry.
Kamlesh, not Maggie.